Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can open the Play Store. Obviously, you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device, if you're logged in. So just do it. You can do it using the settings, and you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this device, or you can do it on your own after entering the Play Store. It's up to you. So let's begin with tapping on the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account, and then go to Manage Apps and Device. Now go to Updates Available, and here we've got the full list of available updates, and basically it depends what you wish to do. So you can either tap on Update All, and your device will download all of the updates, or you can simply go through the list and tap on Update next to the app that you wish to update. So let me choose something like that, and as you can see, those apps will immediately appear at the top, and our device will simply download the updates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.